Welcome back from Graphic Extras. In this tutorial is the Starshine plugin. It's a blur plugin. It can be found in the volume 4 of the Andrews plugin series. It's for Photoshop, PSP, 32-bit. Right, I'm just going to go through some of the settings. It creates a sort of smeary, blurry, sort of circular design. Sort of adds sort of starshine, starlight onto different objects. Right, I'm just going to go for, this is the default setting. I'm just going to reduce the radius so you can just blur it slightly. At this point, if you reduce the radius, very subtle blur, then you can increase it a little bit more, and you can see the objects are just basically rotated. The angle modifies the amount of actual things, so you can actually see it's a lot more intense when I increase that. And the max just changes it subtly. In this case, completely wipes it out. You can also modify the colour, and you can actually see it just getting a bit lighter there at that point. Also, you can modify the colour using the factor settings, as well as the red, green and blue. I'm just going to reduce that down. Right, that's the basic functionality of the plugin. I mean, I can actually just click extreme. It will apply an extreme effect. Extreme basically takes all the settings and applies them really extreme. So basically here now you've actually got a very intense green, and the image is really smudged, a circular smudge all the way around, completely virtually wiping out the image. I mean, that is a really intense blur. Now I'm just going to reset it and click reset at any point, and you can again see the original image just about. You can also apply different blurs. Basically turn this effect into a new unique blur, or smear or sepia, as well as threshold and other effects. Also, you can apply blend modes, blends, and these are the ones that come not with Photoshop, but these are the internal ones for the plugin. There's 100 different settings, so just going to quickly go through blend, and you can see unusual effects. This one like an edge or line effect. That's more flat, very low contrast effect. Anyway, you can save settings. There's a save preset as well as open your presets, and you can also apply a post randomization color effect if you wish. Just set various things, the gradient blend, and I'll just click this, and different color effects can be added to the basic Starshine. Right, so I'm just going to now just quickly reset that and apply. Okay, so that's the basic use of the plugin. The plugin can of course be combined in multiple ways with other plugins. Of course, can apply it again. I'm just going to quickly do that. I'll apply the blur again. You can also turn the plugin into a smart filter and save the result so it can be modified at any point in the creative process. Also, of course, apply other smart filters. Also apply them to layers if you wish. Smart shapes. You can also then use them in Photoshop Actions as well as Photoshop scripting. So there's whole heaps of things, different color modes as well. You can use them in CMYK as well as RGB. So that's the Andrews plugins volume 4 Starshine plugin. Quite a good effect for creating really quite unusual, smudgy, smeary, sort of star-like effects in Photoshop and PSP.